When looking at the week 1 lab assignment, sometimes we might have to make a few corrections and then upload and resubmit our assignment for revised grading. Here's just an assignment where let's pretend I'm a student and I got my assignment back and I need to make a few corrections. When I view this assignment, I can see that there's a currency as each cell is formatted in currency format. That's nice, but on this particular assignment, we want to make sure that our first row is set to accounting. And so that will be used in the accounting format. Now you can see the difference between row 5 here, and that's set to accounting, and then we look at row 6 here, which is set to currency. So now you can sort of see the difference of the two formats. I'm going to select row 6, column B, all the way down to row 11, column F. So when I select that range, again, I want to select the accounting format. Now this time I need to take one more step. I wanted to have the accounting format, but I want to use the comma number format. So in my formatting panel, I'm going to scroll down and look for, in number format, comma. I'm going to select comma, which keeps it as the same format as we see in row 5, only we're removing that number, that dollar symbol there. In row 12, columns B through F, I'll select those. Again, I want to select the accounting format. I'll leave that format exactly the same as we formatted row 5. So there's that one quick correction on formatting the cells to the accounting style, while just using the comma style in rows 6 through 11, columns B through F. Let's look at the next other simple quick correction, and that's regarding our pie chart. Our pie chart looks nice and is done well. And we just need to take another step to actually move our pie chart to another location. While I'm on the chart, I wanted to do a reiteration that there are chart layouts that allow us to select different styles, which will vary depending on the information we're seeking to convey and who our audience is that is exploring that information. I see I have a second chart back here, which I am actually going to cut and delete. So this chart here, I need to move to another sheet. Before I do that, on the very bottom of my worksheet, I see sheet 2 and 3 here. I'm going to double click and I'm going to rename sheet 2. And I don't know why I can't type here. So maybe it's my system, but I need to double click and rename sheet 2. I seem to have a minor issue at the moment with that. And then when I take my chart and right click, I can say move chart. And I will move my chart. I'll select sheet 2 here because that is the default right now. And my chart moves right over. Now I can size my chart and move my chart around. Once in a while you might need to save and then restart Excel. Things like my sheet name not allowing me to rename it. That's a little unusual. So none of them are allowing me to rename, and I might need to explore that in a little more depth to find out what's going on with that, as I'm not even able to type in any of these cells. So it might just be I need to do a shutdown of Excel and a restart, which once in a blue moon, that can happen. At least I showed you the basics on correcting the cell format to accounting style and moving the chart over into a new sheet. And again, how we did that was we were able to right click, select Move Chart, and now we're able to say into a new sheet or an object that's into our sheet already, and I can move that all around, and now that's here in sheet 3. I moved it out of 2. So just wanted to cover that quick concept with you.